been a year.
Tomorrow. 1 year tomorrow.
Well, I think it's time you got over that. I mean, when my mom left my dad, I accepted it. It's the way it is. She's not coming back.
Your parents split up. This is not the same thing. Your mom left town. She's not lying in a coffin somewhere.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's a bad analogy. It's just that There.
I'm sorry if my traumatized life has inconvenienced you and your perfect existence.
What? Nobody said that. Say it.
Hello.
Tired. Having to see boring generation disgusts me. So, 2 of your fellow students just savagely murdered. And this is the way that you show your compassion and sensitivity, huh? You're both expelled. Get out.
Come on, Mr. Henry. It was just a joke.
That's not fair.
Been on one day. Run it up.
Fairness would be to rip your insides out.
I don't know.
Can expose you for the heartless, desensitized little shit that you are.
For attention, the girl has some serious issues.
Ang killer man kay Ton.